Welcome, friends, to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making sheet pan quesadillas. It's a one-pan meal and you're going to love them. I've got my vegetables. I've got green peppers, red peppers, and onions. I've got them sliced real thin. I got fajita seasoning. I didn't have a package, so I made my own. The recipe down in the description. And I've got a pound of chopped up boneless chicken, but you can use rotisserie chicken or thighs or whatever chicken you want. So we're going to start with heating up some olive oil to saute our vegetables in. I'm going to let that get a little hot. You're going to need 1/8 of these tortillas to lay over your half sheet cookie sheet. And so while that's heating up, it's a lot easier to do it this way than to make individual quesadillas when you use your pan and you put all that in there and then you flip it and then you have to do another one. This is a one-thing meal. I'm going to saute my vegetables first. Put our chicken that I've cubed. We're going to cook the chicken until the pink is not showing anymore. See how tender those vegetables look? You don't want to get them too mushy. The chicken is cooked, so we're going to add our vegetables back in there. Then we're going to add our fajita seasoning all over it. And 2 tablespoons of water. And mix that all together till it's all coated. Oh, it smells so good. I'm going to let it cook down a little bit because you don't want it running. Okay, we're going to put this off the eye. And we're going to get our pan ready. Okay. I'm going to get the tortillas in the pan. We're going to sprinkle just a little bit of cheese. I've got Mexican 4-cheese blend. Spread it out. And then we're going to come in with our mixture and just lay it all over the place. Oh, that looks so good. Don't that look delicious? We're going to put it all the way to the corners. Then we're going to put another cup of cheese on top. That's what quesadillas are, cheese. Have cheese. We're going to fold the tortillas over. Like this. Ooh, hot. Make sure everything's tucked. And smash them down. Then we're going to take 2 more. We're going to lay it on the top and mash it. Now we're going to take our other cookie sheet and we're going to press it down. I have sprayed it a little bit on the bottom so it won't stick. We're going to press it down and then we're going to put it in the oven for 10 minutes. We just got the quesadillas out of the oven, and just one point that when you're folding them over, you need to put the 2 top tortillas on first and then fold them over the others so it'll stay secure. I forgot that. So don't they look wonderful? We flipped ours over on a cutting board, but you don't have to do that. They're nice and crisp. Don't that look wonderful? I have toppings. I have sour cream, guacamole, jalapenos, and pico de gallo, or whatever. There's so many things you can put salsa. It's really good. Cheesy, soft inside. It's crunchy on the top. It's really good. You're gonna love this. Just, you can, even your vegetables, you can buy them already chopped up or sliced, whatever. Just whatever you like. But I hope you try this. Down in the comments, let me know what your favorite Mexican entree is. Mine's enchiladas. Also in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's Kitchen merchandise. Thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.